will. Yes, sir.
मैम इसमें प्रॉब्लम मेरे को हो रही है कि ब्लॉग मैंने बनाए हैं तीनों, फेसबुक पे लोड किए हैं, उनका लिंक भी दिया है, लेकिन मेरी साइट का ब्लॉग नंबर 1 हेलो वर्ल्ड वाला विजिबल नहीं हो रहा है। ब्लॉग नंबर 2 नंबर 489 विजिबल है साइट के ऊपर में, लेकिन ब्लॉग नंबर 3 वो नहीं, अगेन इट इज नॉट विजिबल, इसका कोई लिंक भी नहीं आ रहा है वहां पर। तो मैंने कहाँ गलती की है, ये थोड़ा सा मेरे को प्लीज हेल्प कीजिए।
Okay, so you have started blogging on True Worth Property. There you have started blogging?
हाँ मैम।
Okay, so all of you can share my, I'm just sharing my screen and let's see if I can see. Okay, so is the screen is visible?
हाँ मैम।
Yes. So here, what you are saying?
ये hello world is not visible.
Okay. So just giving the context to Hemangi and Meenakshi ma'am. Last Saturday we met and decided to have this week everyone will do 3 blog posts. So everyone has taken the challenge and posted. I'm not, many are not here, so I'm not sure how many of you have posted. Sir has posted. So we have gone into the detail why it's important, how it can benefit, and how can you can start your first blog post. So sir has done 3 posting, but now he is struggling. It's not appearing somewhere. It's not appearing in his website. So I'm just.
और एक बात और, मेरी ये जो मेनू है, ऊपर क्या नाम है, मेन मेनू, इसमें सिर्फ 3 लोग चाहिए थे मेरे को, होम पेज, अबाउट अस एंड पोस्ट। और मैं पोस्ट जो है वो एक के बाद में एक आते रहे, वो नहीं कर पाया।
Okay. So can you share the user ID password for this blog post? So can I log in from my end?
हाँ मैम प्लीज, आपके पास डिटेल है मेरा।
No, I don't. I haven't stored anywhere. If you can share it on the chat window.
मैं दोबारा शेयर कर देता हूँ प्लीज।
So the query is he has done the blog posting, but he is not able to make this visible on the menu section, and this is one thing. And blog post sequence is not able to manage the blog post sequence. So I'm going to resolve these two. Apart from these two, you guys have any issue? Hemangi and Meenakshi ma'am, what you are up to? What you are doing these days on your website? Hemangi, what you are doing on your website?
Ma'am, actually I couldn't do any. I didn't do actually basically. So what I need one help from you. Like I want to start it from the beginning again. So I want to watch again previous videos, and I want to start it building up the website again. And what I'm thinking, earlier I used Elementor. So instead of using the 2021 basic theme, I will directly use with not 2020, that WordPress ka basic. So instead of that, I will be directly using Elementor, and I will be start creating website. So this is my plan for this month, actually, coming month. So what help I want if you have made one proper list of all the videos in one table or some concise form. So can you please send it to me so that I can, because it will be there in the chat message.
No, it's in the sequence as well. I will share you the sequence. It will just start one and it will go one by one. The sequence we have gone through, the same sequence is there in the list. So I will share that.
Please do that. So this month my target is coming month. I will definitely finish with this.
Okay, so which domain you are going to work on this month?
This beauty ethics salon. Beauty ethics, beauty parlor ka I work, no?
Okay, beauty ethics.
Ethics, ETHICS.
AUTI or UTY? Beauty.
Why? Beauty ethics salon.com. I think it is not published basically.
Okay, I'm just getting a clear picture so that in the next time I should be able to ask you that, okay, what is the progress, right?
Yeah. And what
So-
happened na, last 15 days my laptop also was given in the service center, so that was again I got excused. So but abhi aaya hai, but I will definitely do.
Okay, so
But
is this
I
the
want
correct
the
spelling? Is this the
Uh-huh.
correct spelling?
beauty ethics salon,
Okay.
ethics salon.
Double S or single S?
हाँ नहीं double S. डबल L नहीं रहेगा, L single.
So anyways, you have the domain with you, right?
Yes,
The
yes, I
domain
have,
is
I
with
have.
you, hosting is with you,
Yes,
and
yes.
WordPress is already installed there. Is WordPress is installed there?
Yes, yes, it is
Okay.
installed.
Okay. So you have to first, like, I will give you two things. I will give you the sequence of the videos. I will share in the in our group as well. The sequence of the videos we have done so far, and second, the checklist of the website, the website element. So if we are saying, okay, we must have a website, then we are looking forward at this. These elements must be up and running and active on your website. So you must have homepage, about us, contact us, header, footer, sidebar, menu, and like if Google Analytics installed, Google Webmaster installed, or lead generation pop-up is integrated. So whatever we have discussed so far, that is the video is there, and I will also share a checklist which you have to complete the checklist as well.
Okay.
Right? So
Okay,
it
yeah.
like even if you are doing 1 or 2 tasks in a day, so from that checklist, I'm expecting that next week, when we will meet again next week, at least you should have 5 to 10 things done on your website.
Okay, definitely, sure. I will.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I would suggest you or request you that you will, by the end of today, or today is already ending, so but either today or max by tomorrow, you will share those 5 to 10 things, minimum 5, maximum 10 things, which should be, which you are like you are expecting that by next weekend you will be done. You have done that. Means 5 to 10 things list. So by next weekend, my homepage is active, or at least homepage, about us, contact us, privacy policies, and the blog section running, or at least 5 to 10 things, minimum 5, maximum 10. Can you share me that list after, like you have a broad idea that what you want on your website? Do you have so from that broad idea, I'm not asking you to take so many tasks, just minimum 5. You can start with the 5 only, 5 days, 1 task in a day. So minimum 5 tasks you will be doing every single day. And by end of the next week, you will have those 5 things done on your website.
Okay.
Okay, so I will look forward for, you can also post a message.
Yes, yes, I will do.
Okay, nice. Thank you.
मैंने आपको शेयर कर दिया.
Okay, so you have shared with me. Sneha is also there. Meenakshi ma'am, what's your progress? What you are doing these days? I think you must be busy doing so many things. So any progress on the website? Yes, I think my voice is not audible to him, not audible to her. Sneha, what's your progress on the website?
हाय भावना.
हेलो स्नेहा, कैसे हो?
बस बढ़िया, सब ठीक. मेरे घर में ना पेंट वर्क चल रहा है, तो आज 1 हफ्ते से एक्सट्रीमली बिजी हूँ मैं इस चीज में, तो इसलिए बस मैंने वो ब्लॉग पोस्ट कर दिया था, उसमें कुछ एडिटिंग करनी थी, बस वो करके मैंने कर दिया. रेस्ट साइट अभी वैसी ही है, कुछ भी अपडेट नहीं किया है, उसमें बहुत कुछ काम करना है मुझको अभी.
Okay, so you can also do the same thing. You can decide the 2 or 3 things which you want to do on your website, and you can share on the in the group that, okay, I'm planning to do these 3 things on my website, and next week we can I can ask you, okay, you have shared these 3 things, what is the struggle, or what is the issues, or whether you will be able to do it or not. So can you share 3 things in the group?
या मुझे अभी होम पेज पे ही काम करना है मेनली, उसको मैंने अभी नहीं बनाया है, और कॉन्टैक्ट अस पेज नहीं बनाया है, तो दोनों चीजें मुझे बनानी है अभी, उस पे मैं काम करूंगी इस वीक.
That's fantastic. So just share in the group that, so that I will be able to recall it in the next session.
ओके, ग्रुप व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में मैं शेयर कर लूँ उस चीज को.
Only just you can just home page and 2-3 points, or contact us 2-3 points, or whatever you are, just small things. At least you should be progressing every week. There should be one enhancement in your website, isn't it?
Yes, sure.
Yes. So it's perfectly fine. This is a very small group, and all of us are on the same boat. Everyone is struggling with the same thing. So no judgment, no hesitation. We will get inspiration from each other. So once you have shared the blog post, I'm sure so many people get inspired and shared there as well. So in the same way, when we will share our commitment and progress. So we feel more accountable, and we have to use it as a tool for our progress. So no worry about that, right? So we don't know each other. We don't have any so much of expectation from each other. So it's perfectly fine. We can share in the group.
अच्छा, वन मोर कंफ्यूजन वाज देयर भावना. जितना भी मैं फुटर पे काम कर रही हूँ ना, उसमें जो मेटा और वो सब चीजें पहले भी मैंने एक बार शेयर किया था कि अपीयरेंस से विकेट्स में जाके वो हो जाएगा. आई ट्राइड इट, लेकिन वो ना डिलीट नहीं हो मेटा. व्हाट इज मेटा? एक तो मुझे मेटा समझ में नहीं आता कि वो क्यों साइट क्यों नहीं है एस्टैब्लिश्ड इट. creator.com.
The correct website.
जैसे आपको बात नहीं, इसमें एक पेज खोल दीजिए. हाँ, ये जैसे ये लॉगिन, एंट्रीज, कमेंट्स, फीड, wordpress.org, ये मेटा के नीचे आ रहे हैं. व्हाट इज दिस मेटा ऑफ ऑल? ये क्या है? ये फुटर में जो आता है?
See, again, when you are managing the widgets area, I will show you that how you can remove it. These are the small, you can say that elements which you can add on a page. Meta is basically how you are informing to the Google or any other software regarding your website. तो जैसे हम लोग कीवर्ड मेटा या डिस्क्रिप्शन मेटा या ऐसे बहुत सारे मेटाज यूज करते हैं हम लोग. We use so many other metas, but here the meta is which like it's a kind of for end user entries feed. Means there is a page where this WordPress is collecting all the URL of your blog post entry. So comment feed, there is a URL where WordPress is collecting all the comments done on your website in one URL.
Okay.
And WordPress.org, WordPress has given its backlink to its own website according to that. Either it's free website or like free theme, or we can like it's a backlink. The theme you are using or anything we are using, they place their own website link on your website so that they can get the backlink or the credit that okay, you are creating this website on the WordPress. So in general, all these are the default one. Right now, this is the default one.
Yes, ये डिफॉल्ट है, इसलिए आ रहा था फुटर में. ये रहता ही है. अब मुझे इसे डिलीट करना है मानिए, क्योंकि
for that you will go to the appearance, you will go to the widgets.
हाँ, मैं यहाँ तक आ गई. मुझे मेनू मतलब वो मेटा दिखा भी सेक्शन में, उस सेक्शन में जा भी रही हूँ, लेकिन उसमें मुझे डिलीट का ऑप्शन नहीं मिला.
रिमूव का ऑप्शन होता है वहाँ पे.
हाँ, रिमूव या डिलीट, मुझे दोनों कोई भी ऑप्शन नहीं.
छोटा सा एरो होगा वहाँ पे राइट साइड में, when you will go to the metas.
मेरी स्क्रीन पे भी आता है एक एडिट का ऑप्शन नीचे की तरफ में ना, मैं तो उससे भी मैं करके देख रही हूँ, लेकिन वो नहीं हो रहा.
हो जाएगा. I will share. Right now, this widget is through the Elementor. That's why its interface is little bit different. But when you will get like what your theme is different. Your theme is 2021, right?
Yes.
So in your theme, you might be getting the list of widgets in the left side, and right side the placement of the widgets. Left side will be the list of widgets.
हाँ, लेफ्ट साइड में लिस्ट आ रही है जिसमें मैं ये सब चेंज कर सकती हूँ. उसमें
राइट साइड में वो प्लेसमेंट होगी जहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो. So there will be a small arrow. Here you will, when you will click on that arrow, there will be an option to remove it, remove or delete.
हाँ, ये नहीं आ रहा. यहाँ पे जैसे मैं ड्रॉप डाउन भी आ रहा है, मैं वहाँ पे पहुँच भी रही हूँ. उसमें कमेंट करने का आ रहा है, ठीक है, लेकिन जैसे मैं कुछ डाल सकती हूँ टेक्स्ट जैसे या जो भी है.
If you can share the screen, if you can just right now I'm resolving the AKSR issues, and after that I will come to you. I will make you host, and you can share the screen, and I will show you how you can remove it.
Okay.
Right. Okay. So, coming back to the AKSR, AK sir has done blogging, and where all the blogging has to be done on the post section. So you can go to the all post. And there you have seen that all the posts you have done so far. So the first thing, all the post heading is not clear. Like all the post heading you have given is Elementor 5. The post heading is not clear.
Post heading is not there.
Post heading you have not given.
तो post heading कैसे दिया जा रहा है मैम?
So when you will open the post title is the post heading. Post title, like, so this is the post title. Can you see that, this post? Here you can add the title.
अच्छा, अब मैं
So where is the content? What is the content you have written?
कैसे कर सकता हूँ?
So this is the post. Whenever you are writing the blog post, this is the post. Here you can write your, just give me the content.
मैं आपने तीनों headings दे दूँ अभी?
हाँ, अभी आप दो. I'm just showing you from scratch, and then you can follow the same thing.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
आप एक blog post मुझे दे दो, अब मेरे WhatsApp पे या mail पे या यहाँ पे. I will copy paste it and
मैं तुरंत देता हूँ.
So here again, what I'm doing, if you have to do the blog post from the scratch, how we can do it? So right now we are opening the blog post in the Elementor. Right now it's the Elementor editor, but you can do it in the default WordPress as well. So this is your website. You have to log in WP admin. अपनी website पे आप login करेंगे WP admin के through. Either you will WP-admin. You can open from here. यहाँ से open कर सकते हैं. Or you can open from this dashboard. You can go to this and go to the dashboard. And if we have to do the blog post, so blog post always managed through the post section. Entire blogging will be managed from the post section. So in the entire blogging, to manage any kind of blog post, we will go and create all posts. Like we will see all the list of all the posts. We can add new posts. We can manage those posts in the different category. We can manage those posts in the different virtual important keywords. We will tag those posts in the different keywords. So all these are regarding the blogging. So all post, new post, category, and tag. All these are to manage your blogging in your website. So here to see the post, if you want to see all the posts, you can go to the all post. And whatever post you have done so far, briefly you will see. So briefly we can see that these are the 3 posts who has done the posting. So that author name, the username, whatever username we have used to log into your WordPress. So this is the username as an author, and category, in which category you have done the posting. If you have given, if any important keyword you have used and you have tagged that post in the keyword, so that tag keywords will be appear here. If you have received any comment, the comment will appear here. The date of publishing will appear here. If you have done SEO of that, SEO ranking will be appearing here. So these are the brief of your blog post. So these are your existing blog posts. Do you want to keep this Hello World blog post, or do you want to delete it? Sir, do you want to keep this Hello?
I have given them my title.
Okay, you have given the title right
No,
now.
I don't want it.
So you want to just delete it? Okay. So whenever you want to delete any blog post, you have to just select it and trash it. So now it's gone. So now these are 2 different blog posts. I'm just deleting it as well, because I think there is no content in this blog post. So can I delete these 2 as well, so that I will show you from the scratch?
There is the content in it. Content in it.
Content है इसमें?
हाँ, पूरा.
Okay. So I will show you how to edit those content. Right now I'm showing you how to create a blog post from the scratch. So I'm creating a new blog post. Here there is an option to create a new blog post, add new. I can create a new blog post from here, or I can create a new blog post from here. So what I'm suggesting you, just find your own rhythm. You can decide your own frequency. Either you can do your blog post daily or weekly, or once in a week, twice in a week, thrice in a week. Last week we have decided that we will do thrice in a week, 3 blog posts in a week. So alternate day, or you can decide of every week. So whatever frequency you are deciding, please maintain that frequency and do the consistent blog post. So whenever you are doing a blog post, you will click on this add new from here, or we can click add new from here. and then we will decide, we will create the content of the blog post. So sir, give me the content as well. This is the title, give me the content as well. So here, this is the title. So I'm writing the title, 5 factors to consider before taking home loan. So this is the title. So here you can just write the title. This will be your title. Now you can add more elements. So plus sign, all of you know that it's a plus sign. Plus sign, we can add more blocks. So if you want to add a paragraph, we can add a paragraph. Can you share more content? Page content.
Just now. कर दिया.
कहाँ पे? Okay. So here sir is sharing the one content. So I'm the whatever content he has shared, I'm adding a paragraph. Here I'm adding a paragraph. If you have any image, you can share the image as well. So here I'm adding a paragraph. Okay. So here I'm adding a paragraph, and in that paragraph I'm writing the first paragraph. So this is the first paragraph, right? If we want to make it like a spell check, or if we want anything bold it, buy new dream home. Dream home is one of the biggest decisions we make in life. So dream home. So we want to make it bold. So we can make it bold. And to save time and hassle-free later on, I am placing some ideas which can help you to consider while organizing finances. So ideas here, I'm sharing ideas to consider while organizing finances for your desired property. So here I'm making it might be bold or underline or something. So if you want to do any changes, you can just select the text and do the changes. So, right. So that way you can organize the content, and now you have some list. So I'm adding block as a list. So here the next block I'm adding, I can go to the plus sign, and here I can look for the list. So this is the list, and I'm adding all those pointers as a list. So first pointer, and find the right lender, sorry. So whenever you are writing content in the blog format, it's always good idea. So it's point one. In point one, it's sub point, I think. Okay, this is the point one. I can make it a list as one. So here we can go to the block, and we can make it a list. And you can experiment with so many other list format: post list, page list, latest post, category. I'm making it this one list, right? And giving it a number. Right.
One more thing, Bhavna, how are we doing this? इसको हम डिफॉल्ट 2021 के पेज बिल्डर से कर रहे हैं कि एलिमेंटोर से कर रहे हैं?
डिफॉल्ट से कर रहे हैं।
हाँ, डिफॉल्ट में बटन का ऑप्शन नहीं आता ना हमारे पास, इसमें बटन नहीं होता, हम बटन डाल सकते हैं?
आता है, डिफॉल्ट में बटन का भी ऑप्शन आता है। You will click on this and tap the button.
ठीक है। क्योंकि मेरे पेजेस मिक्स हैं अभी ना, जैसे पोस्ट मेरा जो है वो इसी पे ही बना है, मतलब डिफॉल्ट पेज बिल्डर में ही है, और कुछ पेजेस मैंने एलिमेंटोर यूज करके बनाए हैं, तो अभी मिक्स्ड ही है वो।
You have all the options. We can edit the same thing using edit with Elementor.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, पर जब हम अगर ऐसा ऑप्शन करेंगे तो ये जो ऑलरेडी कंटेंट है ये चला जाएगा क्या मेरा?
नहीं नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं जाएगा, उसको आप एलिमेंटोर में ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे।
ठीक है, वो मतलब रहेगा और
हाँ।
एलिमेंटोर से मैं चेंज कर सकती हूँ।
Yeah, whenever you are editing, you have the choice whether you want to edit in this, like I would suggest whenever you are creating a blog post and you have decided it to do the default blog editing, so continue to edit it using default blog editing. If you have decided to create it in the Elementor, continue to use it in the Elementor. Hence, what I'm saying, so be consistent for a particular page. Initially, while learning, while experimenting, it's perfectly fine. You can say sometime edit with a block editor, sometime edit with Elementor, sometime edit with some other tools. It's perfectly fine. But when you are in the practice, what I would suggest you for at least one particular page, be consistent for that page. So if we had decided to create that page in Elementor, all the editing we will do it using Elementor. If we have decided to create that page in block editor, all the editing we will do in the block editor.
Okay. हम इसमें टेक्स्ट का कलर चेंज कर सकते हैं?
You have to text का color, you have to see that whether it's available or not. I don't think so.
नहीं है, मेरे ख्याल से नहीं है अवेलेबल। बस ये फीचर की वजह से मुझे एलिमेंटर यूज करना पड़ा था बाकी पेजेस में, बाकी मैक्सिमम फीचर्स आर देयर।
हाँ, पेज के को चेंज करने के लिए now you when you are changing the color of the text, the entire website text color will change. That color you can change. For that, you will go to the appearance and customization and change the text color, but the entire website text color will change. Not for
no, I doesn't want that. वो तो मुझे ये चाहिए कि ऐसा होता है ना, एक पैरा मैंने रेड कलर में लिखा, एक पैरा अगर मैं चाह रही हूँ ब्लैक, जैसे समथिंग आई वांट टू शो कि ये ऑरेंज में आए या ये ग्रीन में हाईलाइट हो जाए, उसके लिए फिर ये चीज नहीं हो पाएगी।
नहीं, फिर you have to use Elementor where you can edit every single page individually.
Okay.
Right. So here I'm coming back and making the list. So rather than list, I'm making it 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4 pointers. So you have the option of 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm making it a point 1. When you are writing, it's easy to write. अभी यहाँ copy paste करने में थोड़ा सा वो टाइम लग रहा है. So here we can done the like one pointer, and now if we want to make it sub point, we can do it sub point. So now it's a sub point, and sub point I want pointers, so I can make it pointers, and sub point we can find the right. It's not getting copy pasted, so find right tank. So then check your credit score. Then third is check the processing of any. So that way you will write your content. So this is not going to take like, you can just start drafting and you can take a week to complete that. That's also perfectly fine. Or you can write in the doc file or अपने Google Drive में आप लिखकर वहाँ से भी copy paste कर सकते हैं.
Copy paste किया है लिख करके.
When you are copy pasting, you have to keep the format. अपने format को ध्यान में रखेंगे. So this is all the pointer 1. Now we are moving to the pointer 2. Or pointer 2. When we are doing enter, by default it's coming sub point, so we will move it to the left so that it will become pointer 2. Test it. It's pointer 2 and it's pointer 3. Pointer 2 में कोई sub point नहीं है, so I'm just copying the pointer 3. Right. So now this is the content you have written. In this content, you can add more elements. If you want to add any images, you can add. You can decide and add any images. So, for example, do you have any image?
No, image नहीं.
So, anyways, if you want to add images or videos, so you have all the elements here. You can just experiment with the element and add more element to make it more readable. And for example, these are the heading. If you want to make it, if you want to give a proper heading to it, so list के बदले में इसको H1, H2, H3 में भी हम लोग डाल सकते हैं. If you want to make it more readable, ये कंटेंट जो है इसको लिस्ट के फॉर्मेट के बदले हम इसको H1, H2, H3 में भी डाल सकते हैं, हेडर में भी. So for that we will do it heading. So here heading. So we are adding it heading, and heading अब H2 बहुत बड़ा हो रहा है, so we can make it smaller. So I am making it H4, and इस ये जो heading है, we can move it to the up to. So अब ये पूरी लिस्टिंग का कोई प्रॉपर हेडिंग डालना है तो वो डाल सकते हैं, या ये लिस्टिंग का जो पॉइंटर्स है उसमें कुछ हेडिंग डालनी है तो वो डाल सकते हैं. So things to consider. Okay, so consider. So I'm just giving this heading, but you can give other heading as well. So this will make your content more readable. So here it is also in H4. It is also in H4. If you want to make it smaller, you can make it smaller. It's H4. I'm making it H5. Even you can make it even smaller, H6. Right. If it is Java small हो गया तो make it H5. If you want to make it bigger one, इसको आपको और bigger बनाना है, so you can make it H2, H3, 4. Anyways, so this is the content. You can experiment with the page building content more. Can you experiment with the page content? Page की content में और elements, right? So now you will publish it. After the content is ready, you will publish it. Yes. So once the content, once you are happy with the content, you can click on publish. Your voice is breaking.
पहले इसको क्या सेव करना होगा?
Yes, when you are doing it for the first time, auto save होता रहता है. अगर आपको अभी publish नहीं करना है, you can save it, save as a draft.
पब्लिश करना है.
अगर publish करना है, public के लिए करना है. जब तक अपने लिए रखना है, means कि right now I am not ready to publish it. I can save it as a draft, and I will come back and edit it again and again. It will be visible to me only. It will not visible to the public. But when I'm saying publish, now anyone having that URL, अब आपके इसके बाद जिसके पास भी ये URL है, they can see the content. So publishing, public के लिए करने के लिए we will do the publishing. So can you see the view post? यहाँ से view post ये भी कर सकते हैं और view post ये भी कर सकते हैं. So now your blog post is posted. Can you see the blog post? This is your URL. You can open. Right now this your blog post is coming P520. So if we want to edit this blog post, we can click on this edit. We will go back to the same page. और ये P जो उसका नाम है वो we will do the little bit of editing. और पोस्ट नेम को हम लोग टाइटल से चेंज कर देंगे. जो भी टाइटल है वही पोस्ट बन जाए. Whatever is the post title, whatever is the title, that should become your that should become the URL. So for that you will click on this setting option, and here you will go to the permalink, and here in the permalink, so this is the permalink. We will change this permalink. Right now this permalink is, so you can do all other settings from here as well. A disable header, footer. You can make it more customization for this particular page. You can create a summary here. You can add one featured images here. You can add important keyword as a tag. You can add some category. You can create some category. Right now, let's suppose you are creating category home loan. So you can create a category home loan, and you can add that content in this category. So this is not in uncategorized, but in home page category. If you want to add some important keyword, so important keyword can be right bank to bank. So bank can be a keyword. Whatever important keyword that important keyword can be your tag. So property value or amount your bank is willing to sanction, or EMI or whatever important keywords that you can add as a tag. So I'm just making it EMI as a tag. So EMI, and then what else? Flat or floating basis. Interest rate of interest. What is that? Rate of interest. So important keyword can be the tag. Here you can add important keyword which you have used on your content. So organizing finances. So finances, home finance can be a tag. Home finance can be a tag. So that way you can add important tag. You can add important keyword. Here you can add featured images, the images which will appear on the top of the page. So if you have any images, you can add it. Otherwise, right now I'm just showing you how you can add images. For that purpose, I'm adding, I'm downloading image from the Google. Home loan FAQ. So let's suppose I'm making this one or this one. You can save this images. So you can give the relevant name. Come back to your wherever you are writing content here. So you can add this image as a featured images. Upload the images. Select the file. Select the image from your local system. Give the proper name like home loan. So whatever name you want to give, or give proper keywords in all these fields. So that is the image optimization. So give proper keyword here, all title, caption, description, give proper keyword here. Loan. Right now I'm just repeating the same keyword, but you can write more descriptive text wherever needed. So that will make your content page more relevant to the Google. Right? And after that, you can click on this save as featured image. So what we have done, we have added one featured images, we have added tags, we have added few tags, we have added categories, and permalink in here right now. Permalink is not, you are not able to change the permalink. I will show you how to change the permalink and how you can show this list on the home page. So you can do this post setting, you can do from here, and block setting, each and every block you can do editing from here. Right? After that, you can click on publish or update. First time publish and next time update. Once the page is updated, you can go and see the view post. Right? Can you see that? Now your post is ready. So right now there is no home page. You don't have this menu option ready. To manage the menu option, you will.
Menu option कैसे बनाऊं? उसके तीन menu option है. Home page, about us, and post.
So for that, you have to either revise the previous session, and briefly I'm showing you how you can manage your menu option. You can go to the appearance and you can go to the menu, and there appearance and menu.
मैम ऐसे ही किया था.
Yes. So right, just see carefully that what we are doing. Just see carefully what we are doing. We are doing from scratch, right? So you have to manage your menu. You have gone to the appearance, gone to the menu, and then selected the menu. Which menu you want to show? You have two menu: primary menu and footer menu. So I'm selecting primary menu, and post is the primary menu. So these are the page we have already deleted. So I'm just removing these elements and adding those elements from the scratch. So you want what pages you want? Home
Home
pages.
page, about us or post?
Home page. This is your home page selected, and about us
Okay.
selected, and
Yes, post.
post is right now. These are the pages. So you can select pages from here. You can select post from here. So you can select post from here. You can select landing page from here. You can select category custom link from here, and you can select categories from here. So right now I'm selecting category home loan. Add to the menu. Custom link, we have not. If you have any PDF or any external link, you can put here. If you have any landing page where you are asking people to enroll and contact you, you can link here. If you have any post, right now we have created one post, click on add to the menu. And we have added categories, we have added post, and now we have added pages. So pages, home, about us, click on add to the menu.
मैम यहाँ पर 3 दिखा रहा है ना, पोस्ट के अंदर में 3 पोस्ट है ना,
सॉरी,
यहाँ पे मेरे 3 पोस्ट दिख रहे हैं मेनू के अंदर में।
एक भी पोस्ट नहीं है, सारा पोस्ट हमने डिलीट कर दिया था अभी। एंड नाउ वी आर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग इट अगेन। सो आई एम क्रिएटिंग, वी आर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग होम, अबाउट, होम लोन के अंदर ये पोस्ट, एंड वी आर शोइंग इट इन द प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, ऑफ कैंपस। अभी मैं सारे जगह पे दिखा दे रही हूँ यही। एंड देन वी कैन क्लिक ऑन सेव मेन्यू। So just understand the process. We have gone to the appearance first, go to the menu. Second, third, select the menu name. So select the menu name. We have selected the menu name as a post. This is the menu name. And third, we have to select the element, page, post, landing page, custom link. We will select the options, whatever element we want to add into the menu. We will select the element and then click on the add to the menu. Once the elements added here, we can organize it, up, down, left, right, however we want to organize it, we can organize it. Once it is organized, then we can decide that where we want to showcase it. Here we want to showcase it, and then we can click on save menu. So this is
भावना, one more thing is there, जैसे कि जहाँ पे आपने होम लोन लिखा है, कैटेगरी बनाई है, कैटेगरी के अंदर हमने पोस्ट को डाल दिया, उसी तरीके से क्या मतलब कैटेगरी में पोस्ट लिख के सॉरी ब्लॉग लिख के उसके अंदर डाल सकती हूँ?
बिल्कुल
अपना,
बिल्कुल
कि वही मुझे करना था। ऊपर ब्लॉग लिखा आना चाहिए मेरे मेनू में, बट जैसे कोई ब्लॉग को क्लिक करेगा,
यहाँ पे हमने as we have selected as a category, we have selected home loan as a category and made it the menu, right? So if you have a blog page rather than menu, you have a blog page. Let's suppose you have a blog page, so you can select the blog page. Let's suppose FAQ is your blog page, so you can select the blog page, click on add to the menu, right? And then you can organize it. Okay, you want FAQ, and within that FAQ you want home loan, and within that home loan if you want this one, and then you can
no this I got। ये तो मुझे आ गया समझ में कैसे मेन्यू को ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं। मैं आपको ये पूछ रही थी कि जैसे मेन्यू में जो ऊपर टाइटल आएगा मेन्यू के, जो है ना पेजेस, जैसे पेजेस हम बनाते हैं वही टाइटल ऊपर वो दिखाता है, पेजेस के नाम दिखाता है,
डिफॉल्ट वही आएगा। आप चाहें तो इसको कुछ भी चेंज करें।
मैं इसको ब्लॉक कर दूं फॉर FAQ को।
हाँ, क्योंकि मुझे ये चाहिए कि ब्लॉग दिखे मेनू में ऊपर, कोई देखे तो ब्लॉग को क्लिक करे तो मेरा पोस्ट वाला जो पेज है जो मैंने क्रिएट करा है फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम, वो उसके अंदर आ जाए, वो दिखे।
सो जो जब भी आप पेज बना रहे हो, whenever you are creating a page, whatever page you have selected as blog page, so by default all the blog posts will appear there. So only renaming it will not make it a blog page. So by renaming it, you can in menu option it will appear as a blog, but actually you want that blog should contain all the blog posts by default. Whatever blog post you are posting, that should appear on the blog post, right?
Correct.
So for that you have to go to the pages, select the page which you want to act as a blog, and make it a blog post, right? And then you can select it. I will show you again in the page section. I'm just showing you one more
पेज बनाया।
मैंने क्या किया है, पोस्ट में ही अपना लिख दिया ना, मैंने पोस्ट ही बनाया, पोस्ट में ही लिखा, ठीक है? तो जो पोस्ट का नाम आ रहा है ना, वही डिफॉल्ट मेरे मेनू में ऊपर नाम आ रहा है।
That you can change it. That you can change it. Like right now, the entire 5 factors to consider before taking home loan. Also, we can make it shorter as factor to home loan. Right.
अच्छा, नेविगेशन लेबल में मैं चेंज कर दूंगी तो वो चेंज हो जाएगा।
हो जाएगा, ये तो हो जाएगा, right? So home loan factors, rather than itna maine usko kar diya home loan factors. So but it will not, it is a content will be the blog post only. ये मेरा blog
Yes.
container नहीं बन गया, मेरा blog का home page में नहीं बन गया. This is the one post only. Blog is the page which is containing all your blog post. Right.
Okay.
So when you are saying something, it's my blog, you are saying that when you go to this page, all my blog posts will be there.
Yes.
Right. So for that, right now this part is clear. So far this part is clear. We can
हाँ,
say it. AK sir,
ये
is this clear? Home, about home loan and home loan के between they have
नहीं मैम,
that.
नहीं मैम, इसको होम अबाउट अस और ब्लॉक कर दीजिए इसको.
So वही the same thing I want to say. आप इसको blog
और
करने
ब्लॉक
से
के
ये
अंदर
blog
में मैं कैटेगरी बना दूंगा.
that's you have to understand the steps, right? So whatever you are showing here, this showing you are to you this information you are showing to the audience. The audience doesn't know that whether it's a page or a category or a blog post or a home page or about us or tag क्या है, उसको audience से मतलब नहीं है. When you want to make it कि यहाँ पे मुझे blog लिखना है, so for that you want, I assume that you on your blog you want to show all the blog posts, right? To show all the blog
Yes.
posts, you have to make that post, that page as a blog. You have to give the status of that page as a blog. Then only WordPress will understand whatever post you are doing that should appear on the blog post. So here, can I see that you don't have any blog here? Can I see that? Do you have any
नहीं
page?
इधर
नहीं है ना? So what I'm doing?
ना.
Okay. So I'm creating a page, right? Here I'm creating a new page. So just see that how we are creating a page. We are not creating a post. We are not creating a category. We are creating a page.
Okay.
And we are giving the name of that page as a blog.
Okay.
Firstly, we are giving the name of that page as a blog.
हाँ जी.
Right. So यहाँ पे you have given the blog, right? Here you are writing, okay, you can just give an introduction to that blog. Okay, we will discuss everything about property or something. Or you are whatever you are planning to do with the blog, you can just introduce. This is the blog post. This is the blog page, right? And then you have published it. Now what you want that whenever you are doing the posting, your content should appear here. You don't want to do, you don't want to go there and add every time. Whatever you are doing the post, that should appear here. This is what you want.
True.
Right. So for that, again, you will go to the WP admin. So once we have created the blog post, right? We have created one page called blog. And again, we have gone to the dashboard. Right? And here you will go to the setting that this setting you can manage from the appearance as well. And you can manage from the setting as well. And here you can, let's go to the general setting. This is the general setting dot. This is your entire website, that title, tagline, and all that. And then you will go to the rating setting. And there is a two home page. This is your home page. And can you see the post page? Can you see the post page? Here you have to select blog as a post page. And then do the save changes. Now what will
पेज के लिए सिलेक्ट किया है वो नहीं, मुझे कैसे पता किस पेज के लिए मैंने पोस्ट पेज में ब्लॉग डाला है?
चाहते हो जिस भी जो भी ब्लॉग आप,
अच्छा, होम पेज के आगे जो मेरा पेज है, जैसे यहाँ पे आ गया ब्लॉग लिखा हुआ, ब्लॉग का नाम, क्योंकि
home page is containing, let me explain. Home page is containing the entire content, entire website, right?
yes.
And there, if you are saying their home page के अंदर एक section है blog.
Yes.
When someone is going to the blog, you can imagine that blog as a separate website.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So now this blog page, you have created one page blog. This blog page is the home page for blog. You have a separate website, let's say blog, and the homepage of that website is a blog. Now what will happen whenever you will do the posting, whenever you will go to the whenever you will go to the post and add new post in any category, in any tag, whenever you will do the post, that post will automatically will appear in the blog section.
अच्छा, हाँ यही चाहिए था एग्जैक्टली exactly. अच्छा, तो सेटिंग्स में यहाँ से जाके होगा,
राइट, यहाँ से भी हो सकता है, अपीयरेंस के कस्टमाइजेशन से भी हो सकता है, राइट.
ओके,
सो यू कैन डू द सेटिंग्स कि कितने पोस्ट वहाँ पे दिखाने हैं, समरी दिखाना है, फुल टेक्स्ट दिखाना है, सर्च इंजन पे इसको दिखाना है या नहीं दिखाना है. यू कैन डू द सेटिंग हियर एंड यू कैन डू द सेव चेंजेस. So now when you will go and let's suppose you have a blog page, see, we can go to the blog. Right, this is our blog. Let's go and first publish it. Let's go. We might not have published it yet. So right now we have created we have done the save changes here, and we will make sure that as a page is a published page. When we have created a page, it should be the published page. It should not be in draft. So we have gone to the pages, gone to the pages, all pages, right? And this is blog is a post page. Can you see that here it's written post page? And whenever it's a home, it's written the front page. So wherever you are seeing the front page or something, so here it's written the post page. Your home page will have some front page. Can you see that? So yes. Wherever it's written front page means this is your home page. Only giving the name will not make it home page. Wherever you will find this front page, that means is your home page. And wherever you are finding this post page means all the blog posts will automatically be published on the blog section, right? Now you want this page to appear in the menu. So now you want this post should be appearing in the menu. So for that you will go to the appearance and again you will go to the menu. And then you will add the blog as a menu option. So you will decide that in which menu option, it's this menu option, and here is a page. So we will see all the pages. And in this page, we will select the blog and then we will click on add to the menu. So we have added to the menu and we can organize it. Let's suppose this is a blog. In that blog, we have one category, home loan, and in that category, we have one blog post, home loan factors. And then we decided where we want to display this menu option, and then we will click on save. So now you can go and see the page, see your website. So just to see that आज का जो वीडियो, आज का जो सेशन का रिकॉर्डिंग है, उसको आप 2 बार 3 बार देखोगे, and then it will be clear to you, and you will practice the same thing. Can you see that home, about us, blog? In that blog you have home page. So right now due to it's not appearing, and this is home loan category, and within that home loan category, this is your first post. So when someone will click on this first post, they will go to the main post. Right? Home, about us. It's, you have to see the CSS effect somewhere. It's not appearing. We will look into that color combination, but it's already there. So the color combination you have selected is not means menu text
this
color
is different.
Menu text color, and this is white, means display color or the background color is white. That's why it's not appearing. So we will fix it other time. But now your page is now your menu is there. It's a purple here. It's appearing. So it's a white color. Can you see that text is white color? And when you are going to the internal pages, your background is also white. So when you are going to the internal pages, it's your background is also white. So here the purple color is there, and when we go to the blog post,
blog का background white है.
हाँ, ये blog का जो background white है, that we have to go and fix that. कि either blog का background हम change कर दे या फिर menu का text color change कर दे. Right? So can you do the blog post now?
यस, एक डाउट यही था मेरा, लास्ट टाइम मैं कर रही थी तो वो चेंज नहीं हो रहा था।
So again, one more thing here I'm changing, which you can go to the setting, and right now your blog post title page is your blog post. AK sir, are you there?
हाँ मैम।
So आज का आ रहा है समझ में, ब्लॉग पोस्ट और कर पाएंगे? आज का रिकॉर्डिंग 2 बार 3 बार देख करके तो जरूर कर लेंगे।
इसको थोड़ा सा रिवाइज करता हूँ आप पे। हेलो, आर यू गेटिंग मी?
यस, नाउ योर वॉइस।
मैम मेरी आवाज
अभी तो आ रही है।
है?
हाँ आ रही है सर। वन मोर थिंग हियर आई एम डूइंग,
ये गूगल साइट की पे भी इंस्टॉलेशन में प्रॉब्लम है। गूगल साइट
अभी 1 बाय 1 करते हैं सर। आपका जो 3 ब्लॉग पोस्ट है, आपने 3 ब्लॉग पोस्ट लिखा था, वो तीनों को आप यहाँ पब्लिश कीजिए, फिर हम लोग गूगल साइट, आप पीछे का क्लासेस रिवाइज करेंगे। आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर द सीक्वेंस ऑफ ऑल दोज। Himangi has asked me to sequence of all those sessions, so I'm going to give you the sequence of all those sessions, and एक बार उसको रिवाइज करेंगे तो बहुत सारी चीजें आप फिर से मैनेज कर पाएंगे। So in next session मैं साइट किट को एक बार फिर से रिवाइज वैसे करा दूंगी।
Ma'am, in the before page I saw what is snippet, ma'am?
Snippet, summary of entire thing, like you have 2000 word content and you are showing it in the 2 lines. So SEO snippet, SEO title snippet.
Yes, one digital marketer checked my website and he told that he give a review that snippet should be added like that. What is that, ma'am?
So every single page have different content. So every page should have a different snippet. So when that page is appearing in the Google, it should be have a different introduction. So that introduction text is your snippet, SEO snippet. We termed it as a SEO snippet.
So for every page we have to use the
SEO snippet for that. So for example, this is a blog. So when you are introducing the blog, you will say that, okay, here I'm going to discuss everything about property and loan and like budget home and all the questions and all the concerns and everything. But when you are talking about us, you have a different text to introduce. When you are talking about homepage, you have a different text. When you have talking about factors for home loan, so there you will have a different text. When you are talking about in general home loan, you have a different text. So every single page you are adding an introductory text. Whenever that page will appear in the Google, the corresponding snippet will appear.
okay.
So right now, what might be on your website, you have same content. Whatever snippet you have written for one website, that might be appearing on every single page. It's not unique to every page. It might be appearing same snippet for every page. So that might confuse Google that, okay, see, you have a shop and you have a different section in the shop. So every section have a proper heading. Okay, here it's a garment, or it's a groceries, or it's a kitchen, or it's a like washroom, or it's a bedroom, or it's a living room, or it's a library. So you have a different section. So you are introducing different section of your website with a snippet. So ideally, it should be unique snippet for every single page.
No, ma'am, I couldn't understand. For home, about us, here different pages, and snippet is means SEO based. For SEO, what we have to do, that I couldn't understand.
Every single page, whenever you are using a SEO tool, they will give you facility to write unique text for every page. Here you can go to the, let's suppose this is your blog, right? You can click on edit. Let me see, it's a blog. When you open any page or any post, whenever you are creating a URL, a new URL is there, you should have a different snippet for that page. Okay. So this is edit option, and can you see that snippet preview?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this snippet preview, how you can create this preview? By writing proper title, by writing proper description, by writing proper keywords. So combining three elements together, it will create your snippet.
Okay, okay, okay.
So this is called search snippet. So if you want it to be the more impressive one, because this is what Google is going to show to your end user in the Google search result. So you want it to be the impressive one. So for that, you rather than page title separator, cited title, you will just delete it all and you can write your own way.
Okay.
In description, rather than the page content, you can write your description, page description in your own way.
Okay.
In focus keyword, you will decide, okay, this page is about home loan, this page is about us, this page is about blog, this page is about factor about home loan. So every page have a focus. So you can write the focus keyword here.
Okay. Okay.
So this is the basic SEO. The most basic SEO is writing the page title, description, and keywords.
Okay. Okay.
So there you can manage, and this should be different and unique for every single page.
Oh, unique for it.
It should not be the same for every single page.
Understood.
So that's
भावना
that.
हम स्निपेट पे कैसे आए एक बार और एक मिनट थोड़ा
इसके
बता
लिए
दीजिए
इसमें आपने कोई जब तक जैसे ऑल इन एसईओ, ऑल इन वन एसईओ या योस्ट एसईओ या कोई भी एसईओ
अच्छा,
टूल
आपको करना
प्लगइन,
पड़ेगा।
हाँ वो प्लगइन इंस्टॉल करेंगे तब ये सेक्शन आएगा।
ओके
तो यहाँ पे ऑल इन वन एसईओ प्लगइन इंस्टॉल्ड है, उसकी वजह से ये सेक्शन यहाँ पे आ रहा है।
ओके
So coming back here, I'm just showing one more thing, because your page is appearing, this page ID is equal to 3, 4, 5, something like numeric is appearing. That you can change from setting and permalink. Go to the setting and go to the permalink, setting and permalink. So that will it will make whatever page title or post title you will write, that will become your URL. So just give me 1 second. Here you can go to the WP admin, and within that WP admin you will go to the settings, and within that setting you will go to the permalink. Here you will change the page URL setting. So now can you see that page right now it's selected is P is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and page ID is equal to 1, 2. This one selected. Right now I'm selecting is as a post name, means your website / sample post, means whatever post name will appear will be there, that will become your URL, and then you can click on save changes. Now what will happen when we go to our website? So rather than P1234, now it will appear a trueworthprop.com/blog/about us/ so now the URL will be whatever is the page title, that will become your URL. About us, it's not page 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ma'am, can you please show me again how you changed from 1 to 3 to about us?
So here for that you can go to the you will go to
Settings.
the settings,
Permalink.
permalink, and in that permalink you have to select the post name, this option.
Then we can edit, right?
If you want to create a custom structure, you can click on the custom structure and edit it. So yes, in a particular page you can edit it. So right now by default, if you will not edit, whatever page title you will write, that will become the URL.
Okay, okay, page title.
If you will not edit it by default, right now initially the default was P is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, yes.
And now the default is whatever title you will write, that will become part of the URL. But you have always the option, whenever you are writing page or post, changing the editing the URL is always in your hand. You can edit the URL.
Okay.
Right. So here you can see that blog is there, and then you go to the. So can you see that? Now the URL, whatever your title is there, that is becoming the.
Okay, okay, understood.
So 5 factors to consider before taking the home loan. So whatever you are writing here, that is becoming part of the URL.
Okay. So, okay.
Yes. So
For permalink, we should use underscore or like this.
Dash, no underscore.
Okay.
By default, it's a dash. And you should be also using dash, no underscore.
Okay.
Understood.
Small, all in small letters.
All in a
right?
small underscore. Right?
Okay.
So can we conclude for the day?
Yes, ma'am.
So next, all of you, how many of you are here? All of you, can you share 3 things which you will be doing on your website before meeting next week?
Bhavna, can you make me host? Let me share my screen that
Yes,
biggest changes we have
yes,
to
I'm
do.
making you host. I made you host.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen now.
So whatever you are doing there, okay, just share your screen.
इंटायर स्क्रीन को मैं सिलेक्ट कर रही हूँ, लेकिन उसके बाद में शेयर ऑडियो को भी क्लिक किया, लेकिन शेयर का बटन क्लिकेबल नहीं है.
नहीं, आप न्यू स्क्रीन पे शेयर करके आपका जो डेस्कटॉप या इंटायर स्क्रीन है उसके बाद शेयर का ऑप्शन होगा उसी में. ऑडियो नहीं सिलेक्ट करना है, केवल आप शेयर का ऑप्शन स्क्रीन सेलेक्ट करके शेयर. First you have to click on new screen or new share, and then you have to select the window which you want to share. In general it's a desktop one or entire window, and then you can click on share.
नहीं, ये सब कुछ चला गया मेरी स्क्रीन पे से. अभी मैं एक मिनट करती हूँ. मुझे सबसे पहले क्या करना है? न्यू पे आना है.
Zoom में है
शेयर स्क्रीन का नीचे ग्रीन बटन आ रहा है. एक्चुअली मैं उसी को क्लिक कर रही थी.
नहीं, बटन नहीं है, बस आप न्यू स्क्रीन पे क्लिक करोगे. न्यू शेयर पे
न्यू शेयर लिखा हुआ कहाँ आ रहा है? नीचे सिर्फ शेयर स्क्रीन लिखा आ रहा है मेरे पास.
तो आप शेयर कर लो, शेयर स्क्रीन कर लो.
न्यू शेयर तो कहीं दिखा नहीं आ रहा.
तो शेयर
मोड
स्क्रीन
में
जहाँ पे भी शेयर स्क्रीन आ रहा है, शेयर स्क्रीन कर दो.
हाँ, बट मैं वही बता रही हूँ कि उसको मैं शेयर तो कर रही हूँ, बट ओके आ गया डैशबोर्ड. Is it visible now?
हाँ, it's visible. It will appear, right?
Okay.
So
Okay.
you want to manage Meta, right? So you can go to the appearance, click on go to the widgets, right? Widgets.
एक मिनट, ये मुझे विकेट्स में विकेट्स
right, and there select that footer, right? So scroll down, whatever you don't want, just you have to remove it. Click on this option, select the
साइट
Meta one.
एडमिन है.
हाँ, select that.
हाँ, उसके नीचे साइट एडमिन लिखा आ रहा है. जैसे इसको मैंने सिलेक्ट किया, अब इसमें टाइटल आ रहा है लिखा हुआ और नीचे प्लस साइन. अब मैं रिमूव कहाँ करूँ?
ये three dots, click on that 3 dots and remove block.
अच्छा, रिमूव ब्लॉक. ओके, नहीं मैंने 3 डॉट सिलेक्ट किए थे, बट उस समय आया ही नहीं था. ओके, फाइन, शोइंग नाउ.
Update, click on update.
अपडेट
Whenever you want. Right,
ओके, अपडेट. ओके. ठीक है, विकेट सेव्ड. ओके.
Whenever
Now
you
on
want to add, you can just add it, and whenever you want to remove, you can remove.
ओके, फाइन. दिस वे आई कैन डू इट. ठीक है, वो पूरा ही चला गया. फिर
जब ऐड करना होगा तो whenever you want to add, there is a plus sign, you can add, and whenever you want to remove, you can select the wickets, click on that 3 dots and remove. Add and
फाइन. ठीक है.
Okay, done.
Okay, done. Thank you so much, Bhavna.
Okay, so next week I'm looking forward for your commitment in the group.
Okay, I've written 2 points already in the group.
Okay, fantastic. So same from Hemangi and Ashok sir and Meenakshi ma'am. So you have to share 2-3 things which you will be doing before next session, and if, when you face issues, so I am here to resolve those issues. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fantastic. So can we, I will share the recording in few, like 30 minutes to 1 hour. And just in case of any queries, please revise this recording and you will be able to post the blog. You should not face any issue while doing the blog post at least. Right? Okay, bye, take care, good night, and see you next week.
Okay, next week, do we have class again on Saturday, Bhavna?
So I will confirm in the
Because maybe I won't be available on Saturday. Let's
we will
see.
try to
Okay.
have on Sunday then.
Okay, that would be fine.
Okay. Bye, take care, good
Okay,
night.
bye bye. Good night. Thank you so much. Bye.